Voice Notes is a versatile Android application designed to enable users to quickly and easily record audio notes. This app is especially useful for individuals who want to capture thoughts, ideas, reminders, or lectures without the need for typing. With its straightforward interface, users can start recording with just a few taps, making it accessible for anyone on the go. Typically, Voice Notes offers features such as the ability to categorize or tag recordings, which helps users organize their notes for easy retrieval later. It may also include options for playback, allowing users to listen to their recordings whenever needed. Some versions of the app might provide transcription capabilities, converting spoken words into text, which can enhance productivity and note-taking efficiency. Additionally, Voice Notes often allows users to share recordings via email or messaging apps, facilitating collaboration and easy sharing of ideas with others. By combining convenience with functionality, Voice Notes serves as an essential tool for Android users seeking a simple and effective way to capture and manage voice recordings, enhancing their productivity and organization.